Hey y'all! Today we're making a rustic Creole blackberry cobbler, so let's get started. First, let's make a nectar for the fruit. Over low heat, we're going to warm some evaporated milk, a bit of light brown sugar, some freshly grated nutmeg if you can, because the nutmeg makes this dish, a bit of salt, some cornstarch, a bit of vanilla extract, some lemon juice, and some butter. Warm this mixture just until the sugar dissolves. Then we're going to pour the nectar over your fresh washed blackberries. The ingredients and measurements are in the description box. Then you'll go ahead and just set this aside while we make our cobbler crust. We're going to combine some all-purpose flour, some granulated cane sugar, a bit of salt, some baking soda, a bit more freshly ground nutmeg, some melted butter, and you want to stir the butter in just a bit. And then finally, some buttermilk. And then you want to mix until the batter is like a thick, sticky pancake batter that hangs on to the spatula. Then you want to top the cobbler with an even layer of batter and leave a bit of room along the sides for venting. Bake in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 50 to 60 minutes until the crust is golden brown. Serve with a dusting of confectionery sugar. And there you have it, old school Creole style rustic blackberry cobbler. Give it a try. You won't be disappointed. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you as part of our Creole Cajun cooking community. And remember, when you mix a little bit of Creole with a little bit of Cajun, that's good eating. See y'all next time.